would make a tremendous rubby pie. I feel all this fat around here and the gravy would be fantastic, yes. The gravy we produce from your fat body would be brilliant. A couple of rock salt, bit of butter sauce, some onions.
Garlic.
Bit of garlic, just a touch. Short crust pastry lid.
He talks.
His eye. Do his burping, Dad.
There you are.
Pig.
First in a cold.
Whee! Now you see me. No, you don't. No, you see.
You reprobate.
No, you don't. Now you see me. No, you don't. See me. Don't see me.
Caught him in mid-air.